How to add or remove block camera access to the quick settings panel. So first tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the pencil icon or the edit button. Then in here, tap on the edit button on your quick settings panel. From here, to remove block camera access, just tap on that red line there, or the block button, the delete button, and that's it. Now it has been removed from the quick settings panel. To add it back in, what you want to do is go to the available buttons and find that option. So there it is, camera access. So tap on that and it will be added to your quick settings panel. Now after that, tap on the done button to save the changes. From now on, whenever you need to quickly access the camera, you can just swipe down. Here you can tap on it to enable access to the camera or simply block it. So if I block it, I try to use the camera. It say turn on camera access. To use camera, you need to turn on camera access. So I can't use it if I cancel it. Okay, so when I try to take a picture, it's just take a picture of the black screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.